Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take screenshot in laptop. It's pretty easy, so let's jump right in. First of all, you need to install a snipping tool or screenshot tool in your PC or laptop, whatever you use. For that, open your Chrome browser and search for free snipping tool download. And here you can see a suggestion we have been given. Go to downloads and here click on download. Now open. Here the setup for your snipping tool is showing. You have to click next, then click accept and install. Currently your snipping tool is getting installed in your PC or laptop. Now click on finish and here you can see it is showing it's in use. You just have to click on your print screen key on your keyboard and it will be available to use. Here you can see it is already working. Here you can upload it and create it as a link. Here you can copy the image and here you can save it, and with this icon you can share the snip. And here with this icon you can share the snip, and here you can do the screen recording, and there's vice versa of elements that you can use with the snipping tool. And if you don't want it, just click on exit and it will be exit. Okay, it was pretty easy, right? If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video.